Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check this out. This, my friends, is one hell of a gorgeous truck. Beautiful clash with the chrome and the white and the silver. Actually, I'm sorry, correction. Polished, I will say, and I'll get into that in just a second. This, my friends, is a 2013 Ram 2500 Laramie 6.7 liter Mega Cab. Lifted, wheels, tires, exhaust, everything. Remote start. Absolutely gorgeous truck. Let's go over a few things real quick because I got a short amount of time to get out, cover a lot of truck. First, start off the rip. I just put brand new. These are brand new headlights. Oh, hold on. There we go. There you go. Now you can see them. I put brand new headlights in here. Both sides. That's right. You get both. Are those skis yours? Yeah. Both of them? Yeah. Dumb and Dumber quote. Whoever seen Dumb and Dumber. Brand new fog lights. Both sides. Yes. And it's the clear corner with the amber incorporated into there for DOT approval and everything to make it all spec nice. And it looks clean and flush and it's beautiful. I love it. So brand new headlights, brand new fog lights. It is lifted. So let's get under here and check it out. No rust, a little surface oxidation, but nothing critical. Suspension lift kit system. And these, you get another spacer up here, probably another 2-inch, 3-inch, maybe if that. So a total of probably 5 inches. Can't speak today. Suspension and the spacer. Sitting on, check these out, gear forged wheels. Absolutely beautiful wheel. Gear forged into the side of it here. What do you call it? Stamped into the side of the lip of the wheel. Sorry, I'm trying to think of something else while I'm explaining to you guys. I got my mind scrambling. And these are a set of 22 by 14 wheels wrapped around a 33. Yep, there you go. I'm gonna get down as low as I can. 33, 1350, 22-inch Terra Hunter RT tire. Absolutely gorgeous. You can't stop staring at it. It's just a really nice setup. I put brand new lug nuts on it because the lug nuts were not matching like the way I liked them to the wheel. These are nice and flush. You get your key inside of them too, so that way they're steel proof to somebody who doesn't have a key. They have a key like you, they're stealing them. You get your flip up factory mirrors with the LEDs incorporated. Boom, you pop that up, put that down for your tow mirrors. Guys who roll with them up, whatever, that's your choice. The truck is absolutely beautiful. It's got a few scratches and dents. I'm gonna go over that in just a second. Backup camera, navigation, Android system. I'm gonna show you that. It's awesome setup in this truck. And ultimately, it's a diesel mega cab. These are getting harder and harder to find, guys, in good shape. Truck has 218,837 miles. Push button start. And ready for the Android. Check this out. Android and every single thing you can imagine is in here. It's a new head unit system. We just put it in, okay? Once it boots up, you can do it. You control your HVAC by here, powered by Android. It's killer. It really is. Come on, let's get to it, buddy. Come on, we know you're an Android. Android is starting. It really is like a computer. It is a computer, guys, okay? So we'll do this in backup camera. Show you the backup camera first. There's the backup camera. Boom. Okay. Get back to the apps. So here's all the apps. Check this out. Ready? I mean, you can change your theme to whatever you want. CarMate, air conditioning. Every single thing you could imagine. Go back like a computer. Boost animation, whatever the hell that is. Chrome, Google Chrome, Bluetooth, color schemes. Facebook, you can log on to Facebook on your truck. Maybe I'm outdated, maybe I'm old school, but that's pretty cool. YouTube, you can watch YouTube, YouPorn, whatever you guys are into. I don't care what you watch, it's all to your choice. But yeah, absolutely cool system. Miles are good, 218,000 maintained miles. It runs and drives great. You get a 5-position tuner right here. I'm not too sure if that's still hooked up or not. It does have a tune on it. That's maybe fog lights or LED light bar that used to be on at one point in time. The traction control light is on. Here's your satellite, whatever you call it. for the Android. Alpine sound system, all the power windows and locks, mirrors, automatic lights, all your steering wheel controls and everything. What else? Horn works, your brake control, your heated seats, your cooled seats. We're gonna put cool down because it's hot. Trail brake controller, cup holders are good. And the best part about it, MEGA CAB. Let me shut this off and show you the MEGA CAB. Laramie, boom. There it is. There's your key right there. Here's the door jamb so you can check the VIN number. Check it out. Boom. There's the VIN number. Where's she at? Right there. Okay. The door jambs are clean. Sunroof. And here's the best part about it. Check this out. The MEGA CAB, if you guys haven't already seen this, all factory weather floor mats, Dodge. These are just a kick-ass setup right here. You pull that, squish that down, and this thing turns into a full-size bed back here. I mean, it's massive. You got your storage compartments back here for whatever you want to fit in. The best part about the MEGA CABs, and all the storage you want back there. I mean, you can fit a dog crate back there. You go hunting, put your hound dogs back there. Nobody will find them. And it also fully reclines too. You put that lever down. I'm not going to do it because it's two-handed, but you push that sucker down, it's like a full bed right there. Under seat storage, and that's hence the MEGA CAB, like the 1.5 to 2 feet of MEGA CAB, because it's a MEGA CAB. Pull up the hood, show you guys the power plant before you get this video too boring. And then we'll go over some of the stuff on the truck. There you go, 6.7 liter turbo diesel engine. Everything is great. It's got the Ram active air box right here, factory. Still have your EGR and all that good jazz. Everything's intact. So yeah, runs and drives good. And she's just a beautiful ass truck. Really, really is a gorgeous truck. We'll go over a few of the damages. It does have 218,000 miles on it. With that said, the previous owner tried to put these massive tires on it. With that, you compromise turnability. So I had to add another 3 inches here because it was only like 70% turn. Now we got up to like 95% turn. With the trimming, it still does rub a little bit back here, right there, probably very minimal. You're at 95% turn right and left. A lot better than the original setup was on there. So that's cut. You got a few rock chips on the front, okay? Very small, very minute. What else? Yeah, see the rub right there? Very minimal, 95% turn, full crank. But as far as the damages go on the side of the truck, nothing too crazy right here. Small little dent, as you can see. Underneath right here, it's clean. I mean, the truck's not rusty. It's maintained, garage kept, or Southern truck, or what have you. I don't know, but she is pretty good. So spot right there, small spot. Where are we going? Where are we going? Spot right here on the tailgate. Maybe somebody let it down at one point in time. Small little spot in the back. You can barely see that. See the line. Small scratch. Like I said, you really got to get close up to this, guys. But granted, I'm going to price this. With that said, guys, this truck's going to be priced very, very aggressively for what it is. And this right here, you got to get really close up to see it. But it's like an indentation. Maybe somebody, I don't know how that happened. You got me towing a trailer. I'm not too sure, but it is there. But when you stand back, you can't even notice it. So that is there. So the choices with that were, you know, taking the whole bed off and repainting this. Now I'm like, no, you can't even see it, whatever. It's a used truck. It's got a little bit more mileage on it, but it runs and drives great. It's a diesel. Diesels get a lot of miles if you maintain them right, way past the gasoline engine. That's why everybody loves the diesel. So do I. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, check this out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You can call 540-898-3025 or visit www.superiorwholesale.org. Subscribe to the channel, share the video, guys. I greatly appreciate that. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Bless everybody. Take care. See ya.